Hey family, welcome back to Everything's Major Cook Month. For today's episode, prepare your taste buds for a journey of Southern comfort with this irresistible honey butter cornbread, a crumbly goodness with a touch of honey bliss. So join me in the kitchen and let's make it major. All the information and ingredients are down in the description box. So sit back and relax while I do all the work and you enjoy the ride. Welcome to Everything's Major Cook Must. A countdown to Christmas. Merry Cookmas. Everything's major. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. We're going to use 1 3/4 cups of cornmeal, 2 cups of flour, 1 can of creamed corn, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 2 cups of whole milk. If you have buttermilk, you can use that as well. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of sugar, 2 large eggs, and 2/3 cup of olive oil. So I added all my dry ingredients into my mixing bowl. Then I added my milk, olive oil, and creamed corn. Then 2 large eggs. Mix all your ingredients together very well, making sure not to overmix. Now pour your batter into your baking pan. As you can see, I'm not using the standard baking pan for my cornbread because my husband wants a more cake-like cornbread. We greedy over here. So I'm going to use this deep ceramic baking dish. This method is delicious, but it's going to take a longer time to bake in the oven, like an hour. If you're using your standard baking pan, bake on 375 for 20 to 25 minutes or until the fork comes out clean in the center. So an hour later, we have this beauty. I couldn't find my oven mitt, so I had to improvise. Yes, I did. While cornbread is cooling, let's make our honey butter. I'm using 1/4 cup of honey and 1/4 cup of butter. So keep mixing your butter and honey until the butter blends evenly with your honey, like this. Now pour all that delicious honey butter all over your cornbread. This is a honey butter bliss. So I'm going to cut the center so you can see this cake-like cornbread. As you can see, it's nice and moist and delicious. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with all your family and friends because it's always a treat when the majors meet. Until our next delicious encounter, family, I will see you again soon next time for Everything's Major Cook Month. Set your notification bell. God bless you. Bye. Thank you guys for watching. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my new YouTube channel. Take care and God bless. And everything you do, make sure it's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major.